wondered what red lens sleep glasses look like? This is a simple and fast review of the Gloojo Night Ease blue blocker lenses. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. So as we get these out of the box, simple wellness letter. Some information, coupon, looked like maybe, ways to join the community, color selections, stuff like that. Now they do come in a lot of colors. I got the red here. I got the Wayfarer brand, or version. Looks like it's got a nice little bag, as well as cleaning cloth. And so these are going to look pretty solid. Plastic is good looking, lightweight, pretty standard plastic format. The nose, as you can see, it's very red. So we're going to go ahead, try them on, test them out, and take it from there. Before I do that, I do have a kind of a blue blocking tester, and I want to point out that I just tested a little bit already, but I want to show you. So this is going to be a blue light, and I'm just going to keep it on for a second. And you should see a line created where on this side, as you can see, there was nothing. And that just shows that the blue blocking is working. So I'll do it again. Hoping that might, you know what, I keep shaking it. So I'm going to try it on this side. And we'll create the edge right there. And I know this is on camera now, so we're just going to leave it on for a little bit. Get it really purple on this side. And then we'll pull it off. And as you can see, it's doing a great job of blue blocking. Now, I've already tried these on a little bit, and they're very comfortable. But I'm going to test them out for a little while and sleep, and then we'll come back and talk about them tomorrow. All right, so it's been a couple days actually that I've been wearing these. Basically at the end of my day, put them on probably like 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, depending, and just kind of wear them through the evening, just before bed, when looking at devices, when not, all that stuff. Frankly, it can be a little disorienting at first. First couple hours, honestly, of using these, everything's just so different, and I'm going to show you what they look like through a general screen here, because I know I showed a little bit, but I want to give you some perspective because it's a completely different look, and some people love it. I'm still getting used to it, but overall I do feel like I've gotten to sleep faster, and it's my sleep's actually been longer. I wear a ring to check that, but it's been pretty it's been different, I'll say that. So definitely worth a try. It's just really weird to get adjusted to. They're super comfortable. I will continue to tell you that. So I'm just going to flip this around in a second and just kind of show you the screen, just so you see what it looks like, what's in the background, just so you can see. So I'm just going to give you the kind of the perspective change of how everything looks. So it just, everything goes kind of a different color, and it's a lot when your whole world is red. Even on your phone or whatever. So generally speaking, again, I thought they were awesome. Definitely worth a try. So hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.